Hello students, today we will open the previously saved file in Excel. So first of all, we will open the Excel application. When the Excel application window opens, here we will not make a new blank workbook. We will click on the open button and we will look where we have saved the file. So we'll click on the browse button. In the open window here, we had saved the file in documents, and in the documents we had a folder 3A Shweta. I will open that folder. In that folder, I had saved this file class details 3A, and I will open this file. So now the previously saved file opens up here, and we were working on class details tab worksheet. Now here, last time, I will have to undo some changes. Okay, our file was like this. Here, today we will be selecting the cells and we will add border around these cells. Now, in the beginning, I select the first cell, that is A3, and in the center of the cell, the cursor looks like this big plus sign, a white colored plus sign. When you see the plus sign, you click the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right to select the whole row of cells, and down to select the select the column of cells. Now here, after selecting the cells, in the home ribbon, we have this option of border. When I click on this small arrow, this list opens for borders, and I will choose all borders option. When I click on all borders, you will see border around these cells. Now again, if I select the cells and I click here on the font settings button, it will expand into format cells window. And when I click on the border tab here, I can choose a color for the lines. So I can decide what is the color of the lines I want, and then also I can choose the style of the lines. I can, out of these, I want dotted lines supposedly, and I want that dotted lines inside the cells. Between the cells, I want the dotted lines, and at the border, I want a supposedly orange colored double line border I want around the cells in the outline. So in the outline, you will see now a double line border will be coming up, and when I press the OK button, so this is how it looks. The outline is the orange colored double line, and inside between cells, I have got the dotted blue lines for the border of the cells. So you can change the border of the selected cells by choosing the border option, or from choosing the font settings. Next, I will want to align the cells properly. Here the numbers are aligned on the right hand side and the text is aligned on the left hand side. So again, I select all the cells, and here in the alignment group, I will see the first alignment is left and the second one is center alignment. So I will click on the center alignment. So in the all these selected cells, the text or the data has got aligned in the center of the cell. If I decrease the size of this cell, of this column, so the text still remains in the center of this column. Now the number has also come in the center and the text has also come in the center. Next, I will show you this class details I have written in cell A1. But in cell B1, there's nothing. You can see in the formula bar, it is empty. In C1 there is nothing. So this class details is extending from A1 into B1. But I want to merge cells A1, B1 and C1. So I will click on the first A1 cell and drag it across till C1. After I have selected these cells, here we have the option in alignment called merge and center. It will combine and center the contents of the selected cells in a new larger cell. So when I click on this merge and center, this A1, B1 and C1 have got merged into one single big cell that is called A1. In the name box you can see it is called A1. So there is nothing called B1 and C1. After A1 it is directly D1. B1 and C1 have got merged into A1. So the text which is on the left hand side gets merged with whatever is written in the other cells next to it. So generally we merge cells which are on the right hand side which are empty, and the text has got centered in this cell. So this is the merge and center feature in the alignment. I hope you enjoy making the border and aligning the text or data in a table.